Yo yogis, welcome to Yoga with Copper. I'm Copper, and this is your practice lab. We're gonna focus on balancing poses. These are such great poses for overall health and wellness. Google it, check it out. You'll see there's all these scientific studies relating balance to health and longevity. So that's why we wanna do it. Don't worry about how deep you go. If you fall over, take your time, take it easy, and let's have a good practice.
Kaka, kaka.
So coming onto your mat, wherever is a good place, comfortable for you, this first pose, standing head to knee pose. Feet together, engage the core. Big breath, inhale, lift the right leg up and just pause. There's no rush. Press the right knee to the midline, align to the navel, work on the standing leg, balance, weight on the heel, big toe, and just hold that. Feel your stability, solid, grounded. When ready, start to forward bend down. Easy does it, down all the way down. Work to grab that front foot, both hands, and just hold that place. Keep your core, standing leg strong, belly tight, and just rounding the back, stretching the spine, and just hold here. You can stay here the whole time, stretching backside, engaging core, if comfortable. Next point, inhale. Lift that right leg up, chest up, pause. Slowly work to extend that extended top leg out, kick the heel, and just hold there. Feel the hamstring stretch, backside stretch. Keep the breath. Little sips of air. Maybe for you bendy folks, bend the elbows, round the back, head to knee, or just stay in the top part. Full breath. And release. Right leg down, pause. Let's do the other side. Belly tight, left leg up, hold. Bring knee to the midline, standing leg strong, engaged through the root of the foot, heel, big toe, little toe. Just hold it here. All the stabilizer muscles for balance are already working. As you're ready, round down front side. Grab that front foot, hold. Round your back, squeeze the midsection. Keep your base leg strong. Keep your breath. Breathe. When ready, inhale. Left leg up. Lift your chest up. Lengthen through that left leg. Feel the hamstring stretch, backside stretch. Catch your breath. Bendy folks, bend your arms, head down, head to the knee. Otherwise, just hold where you are. When you feel it, that's the perfect pose for you for today. Big breath. Left leg down. Pause. Hands on the hips. Little back bend. And relax. Now let's even it out. Standing bow. Right hand palm up. Out, down, hook. If you can't grab the inside, no pressure. Grab the outside, no pain on your shoulder. Inside if you can, open across your chest. Knees together. Inhale, left arm up. Pause. Find your balance. Eyes on one spot. When you're ready, charge the body forward. Kick just a little bit, hold. Breathe into your pose. Stable, solid base. Kick back, kick up. Bring the body down parallel. Hold. Reach front, kick back. Reach front, kick back. Keep your breath. Little sips of air. Micro adjust. Staying leg strong. Right hip down. If you fall out, do it again. You're at home, nobody's watching. Hook. Knees together. Reach up. Start to kick. Get right back into it. Work to hold this pose for a whole minute. These last few seconds. Reach front, kick back. Hip down, knee back. Reach and kick. Final breath. Belly down, kick it up, kick. And release. Inhale. Turn, let's do the other side. Reach down, left hand, grab the outside of the foot. Hook, knees together. If your shoulder's okay, no pain, roll it around to the inside. Open across the chest. Knees together, lined up with the hips. Inhale, right arm up. And just pause, no race, no rush. Focus one spot, find that one spot. Stabilize through the base leg, weight on the heel, big toe, little toe. Then charge the body forward. Kick a little bit, pause. Working on longevity more than depth. Working on stability, holding. Micro adjust, right shoulder to the chin, left shoulder behind the head, left hip down, left knee behind the bum. As you kick back, kick your foot up away from your backside. Feel that big stretch across your chest. If you fall out, just do it again. No rush, no stress. Breathe. Last few seconds. Bring the body down parallel to the floor. Kick back, kick up. Reach for the front kick. Eyes to the front kick. Give it what you got. Kick, 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 kick. Good. Inhale, back up. And relax. All right, let's do one more pose. Move to the back of your mat. Start with your feet together. Balancing stick pose. Tula Dandasana. Inhale the arms up, hands together. Now, option, you can keep hands to the heart, arms to the side, but I'm gonna do the full pose. Interlace the fingers, release the index, cross your thumbs, touch the ears. Focus one spot, big breath. Right leg step, lean into your right foot, and pause. Just hold it here. Feel grounded through your base foot. Thigh muscle tight, belly tight. When you're ready, tilt. This one only 10 seconds. Body down, leg up, focus front. Body down, leg up, eyes on that same spot. Body down, leg up, lift that back leg higher. Last few seconds, arms touching the ears, eyes to the front, stretch, 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 stretch. Good, inhale, back up. Pause. Let's do the other side. Back of your mat, big breath in. Left leg step, hold. Shift your weight, so already balancing on one foot. No race, no rush, feel grounded, stable, big breath. Tilt, body down, leg up, focus. Eyes on that same place, same spot. The moment you feel it, hold it there. Bendies, go a little further till the body parallel to the floor. Last few seconds, arms on the ears. Point your toes, reach for the front, stretch. Eyes to the front, stretch. One more, give it what you got, stretch, stretch, stretch. Good, inhale, back up. Exhale the arms. So good. So now we've done those 3 balancing poses. Hands, feet together, arms to your side, mountain pose. Take a few deep breaths. And that's it. Balancing series. Yo, yogis, I hope you enjoyed that practice. Remember, take care of yourself. Don't judge yourself. What's so beautiful about our yoga, it doesn't matter how big you are or how small you are. It doesn't matter how bendy you are or how strong you are. We just do what we can. Get on the mat, take it slow, step by step. Expect that you're gonna fall down. That's the beauty of the practice. Remember, it's a yoga practice, not a yoga perfect, not a yoga performance. If you like little practices like this, please like, subscribe, share some comments. Let me know how it's working for you. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, namaste.
Caw-caw, caw-caw.